Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream and Kulfi at home. To begin your homemade ice cream journey, gather heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, and your favorite flavorings. Whip the heavy cream until it forms soft peaks, then gently fold in the condensed milk. This simple combination forms the base for a wonderfully creamy, no-churn ice cream. Once your base is ready, it's time to customize. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or perhaps some crushed cookies or fruit purees for extra flavor. Pour the mixture into a loaf pan or any freezer-safe container. Cover it tightly with plastic wrap and freeze for a minimum of 6 hours, or preferably overnight, for the best scoopable consistency. Now, let's make traditional Kulfi, a denser, creamier frozen dessert. Start by simmering 1 liter of whole milk over low heat, stirring often, until it reduces by about 1/2. This slow reduction concentrates the flavors. Then, stir in 1/4 cup of sugar, a pinch of cardamom powder, and some chopped pistachios or almonds. Pour this rich mixture into Kulfi molds. For both ice cream and Kulfi, using full-fat dairy is key to achieving that luxurious, creamy texture we all love. Also, make sure your ingredients are thoroughly chilled before you start mixing. This helps everything emulsify properly and freeze more smoothly. Don't forget to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals just for you. Enjoy your delicious homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.